He's moving around in our midst. To heal every kind of sickness in us. You will not pass and leave us like that. You always pass to heal every kind of sickness that is in our midst.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. You are here. You have a problem in your chest. You have difficulties in breathing. Right now, the power here is going to be open. Then you begin breathing as your friends. And those pain, the chest will disappear. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Where you are? It's merciful to you. Changes in your life. That's not experts to be only. We are supposed to deliver us of all kinds of bondages of Satan. Sickness kills people. But bondage so dangerous than sickness. If you're having pain, tells you that you're feeling headache. The doctor will know what to do. But bondage, something which you even don't know that thing is existing in your life.
Something
that demons has done in the secret place. Not until if it is being revealed that that thing is happening in you.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. That is my son, my child. They were jealous. Made this man. There's nothing wrong with it's in bondage. We has been in bondage. To get it on to his clothes, to get a judgment. I give you the soil of his feet. Try to move ahead. Yes.